So here we have Red. He has welded his panel together with 40 thou tungsten number 4 cup, and we used an 023 rod. He got himself a nice weld going, and so he's going to planish it out right now. The shape is looking good. It's conforming to the shape that he wants, not too much distortion. And so he's detail grinding as he's going. He's planishing a little bit and just scuffing it off, so it seems to be planishing out nice. So as you can see, it's starting to come together as the panel takes shape. So there's his half section that is made up. So then we're getting too close to the end of the class, but we're not there yet. So yeah, let's give that a dress up on what we were doing, Red.
Yep.
He's planishing the weld out. He's got a good hard hit. The dolly he's using has got a 12 and then 6 radius going the opposite direction, and he wants a 12 radius going around, and needs to keep it relatively flat coming up through here with the number 12 radius going over. So it's coming along nicely. So he's just detail shaping, and he wanted to know how to weld it and then make his weld disappear. So he's getting very close to the shape and configuration that he wants on the 12. So then we're going to flip it over, and then we're going to start doing the little section. After he's done this section, we're going to come in and do the tail section. We'll drop the panel over, dress that in. We tried it on the bark, and everything went really well. It's a fiberglass hood, one of the originals. It's an aftermarket original copy for the 64 Fairlane Thunderbolt. Of course, the fiberglass hoods were able to keep the car nice and light for drag racing, and he wants to build a steel one for his street car. So he's making good progress. So we're having a great class, and I'll let him get busy and dress that up.